MLA ke 19 South Shillong constituency ban Umshyrpi ke Sokar Jala uba kami ya katadal arts and culture Bah Sanbor Shulai ula Plie yartali ki surang pecirong komba sanspa sapun riu mita haga jinglu baro kabakot sakan riu klur lai lang ndrup khandaya char tingka kini ki atli ki surok yat kali ki degi pyniasoh ya ka main entrance gate jongka arts and culture real pong lingba ka real pong community hall shedo jingkieng Umshyrpi bat ka surok pala dan lupa bat ka way pat ka dega motor building road na surok PWD bat ka dan lupa lingba ka real pong community hall shedo jingkieng Umshyrpi habakaran ha jingilang uba sanbor shulai ula aingo yublei nongbo nang thang baula ai kini kasngi babha banyo pli no yakini ki surang bala angnot la slambha uloong bakani ga dega jingang not kabala slambha na bala bo maunong rem house nam araja apwe daw mentri ka tanak PWD roads pa preston tensong pada hadin kato kat nepot kila miru ki jingmun bahkan day tang ka jingbo maunong rem kapa nayam bat la danru ki bashim kabu san perthai halor kani ka jingbo maunong rem ule thu banadu bala bo maunong rem kala hap ban shimpor hadu shisnam prabanai ban pendap ya baro ki jingnon kam habe day bat ki kot kisla bat ki jingyo jingbet henry na ba kahap hapo containment bon hap yad bon ki linti ki bajirwit jirwan ure thuru bahkan hap shimpor de ki banai ban lichidu Delhi ban kendu ya u Rajnath Singh menteri katnat ki kampo yeng ka sarkar padeng ban penshai halor kini ka surang ha ka baulo ong ba ka BJP ka day na ka benta ka bha kamyat ki nongshong shnang bat hadin kani la yo jingbet na ka containment board ulai khuble ki opsar PWD ya ki trai jaka ki pla ai e klem dan kam siu nangta ya ka containment board bat ki be karba u executive engineer PWD roads uba s listap uloong ba ka ni kan long ka khana ka ba pensa kan mau ya PWD bat kum joro ya ki nongshong shnang ba ki jingpho sniu kila urlong khamtam e na ka dhengkali ka bajurpha haraino bat anjali pom habayat hu ya baro ka jingmang pisa na ka benta baro artali ki lingron u uloong ba lingba ka jingtre shitam MLA ba sanbor shulai ya ki ni ki surak ala pan Plie ka si satchan.
Like what the chairman has told me to keep a report, actually I'm being the executive engineer. I just know that before you all from here staying here in Relbong, Kansas Trace, last stop, Lom Chasni, from Lumparing, even from Laos Soton also. I'm very sure you remember well, especially parents, that you face a lot of problem at Rhino Junction, Anjalipom, because of traffic jam. And I'm very sure also that all of you all wish that your children who are going to school should reach in time, and all of you also who go to hospital, you should reach in time, and whoever go for different business also, you all want to reach in time. But before all these years before, I just hope you experience most of the time you came late wherever you want to go. So because of that, under the leadership of Hetman with executive member, they approached local MLA that time. They want him to construct a road from Relbong Community Hall to reach up to here at Umshyrpi traffic point. So that time, like what Hetman told, might
of the people of Relabong, Kenje 6, Oxford, and Greater Laban area. So as mentioned by our Honorable Hetman Baglanding, he said that in the year 2021, when our Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Plie Bah Prestin Tunsong, he came personally to inaugurate the foundation stone. We thought it will be a ghost foundation stone. It has, here and there, even some vested interest and opposition party also, they have created sort of a political propaganda that this is the only political tactics of Bah Sanbor Shulai and the BJP party. But with the blessing of God, with the hard work, with the cooperation of each and every one of you, today is a memorable day where, after 4 years, we have completed. In spite of the fact that 1 year, 8 months to 1 year, we have to take up this issue, especially for construction of this bridge. This land belongs to the Defense Authority under the care and protection of the Shillong boat. It took us 8 to 12 months because, lots of correspondence from here to Guwahati, from Guwahati to Delhi. And finally, as a party of the BJP, Meghalaya State and 19 South Shillong, we went to meet our Honorable Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, and when we have apprised the problem and grievances, and especially we have enlightened him that this bridge will serve as the link road to connect the 4 lane of the national highway, which benefit the general public, not only of Relabong, Greater Laban, but of Shillong and the Meghalaya State as a whole. When we have enlightened him, he said that the BJP is standing. The BJP party is first to see and to help the interests of the general public. Then and there he have passed the order, and we have got the NOC and the Cotton Board. They have given a green signal to start the work. My special thanks to the Plie, the executive engineer, and all his team, who are the backbone, who are the ground force, to prepare the plan, the estimate, the DPR. It takes lots of time for them. Then we forward it to government, we initiate, and finally we have got the sanction. So I'll not lend you my speech. My special thanks on behalf of each and every one of you to all our beloved landowners of Relbong area who have parted their land free of cost. So due to their cooperation, that we could have inaugurated this link road today. My special thanks also goes to the Defense Authority, the Shillong Cantonment Board, who have extended all the possible help with me as the MLA and with the Dorbar Shillong and each and every one of you, that we could have completed this road within the span of 4 years. My motto, like our Honorable Chairman Rangba Ashno, you have stated before, for the last 8 years,